What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Make this one short and sweet. It's just gonna be a little video, as you see from the title, my life and a Snapchat that is. It's still gonna be automotive related. It's mainly gonna be about me working on a Trailblazer like last weekend or the weekend before. Just putz around with it. Let's get to it. Hope you enjoy. With the old, in with the new. Even though I broke the filler neck. Oh well. Little JV weld. Nasty. 200,000 miles. Well, I replaced the fuel pump yesterday. And of course, lo and behold, on the maiden voyage, she didn't make it. There she sits. Good old Chevy. Some bitch. Guess I'll be back to doing that when I get off work. Back at it again, seeing what the hell's leaking on this thing. Look at this nice blanket this lady gave me to work on. It's almost too nice to work on. This is where she made it to last time. So far so good, no fuel leaks. Riding good. Yeah buddy. Alright, like I said, not much, a little something. It's some content though for you, and it's automotive related. I know the one bad thing with a video like that is because I have my phone straight up and down, the video only shows like that. If I had it sideways, it would fill up the whole screen. So that aspect of it does stink. But if you like this video, if you like this type of video, I can definitely do more of these Snapchat type videos. Obviously, like I said, it's not the best, but it's a heck of a lot easier to try to do that than it is to try to do a full-blown video. In other news, I'm trying to get my channel to 5,000 subscribers by my birthday, which will be in June, closer to the end of June. Last time I checked, I think I was almost at 3,780, maybe one or two shy. So just about 1,200 more to go. With me doing more videos and you helping me out, that should be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. What? You didn't like that? I know, that was lame. When I get to 5,000 subs, I'm going to do a giveaway. I don't know exactly yet what it's going to be, but it'll be a giveaway. Then after we hit 5,000, next going to be that 10,000. So in order to do that, I need you to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below. Go ahead and hit that share button. That really helps me out. Share it to whatever, Facebook, whatever you can. Have all your friends watch a video. Have your parents watch a video. Have your girlfriend or your wife watch a video. Heck, have your kids watch a video. Hopefully we can start getting this thing going, getting back in the swing of things. I was doing good a while back there. Almost trying to do 3 videos a week. But obviously doing that for probably almost 2 years definitely burned you out. Also, go like my Facebook page and my Instagram. I'll put the links on that down below. Hopefully pretty soon we'll get a new camera. Maybe the GoPro 9. Well, that's enough of me talking. Like I said, big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, share, comment down below. Till next time, peace.